Howdy folks, welcome back to Desk. This is just a quick giveaway today. This is a little one as far as I'm concerned, but a few people mentioned they were a bit excited about this. So who am I to judge? This is a green carrot rolling tray and a small green carrot grinder. I think this is one of those, I think it's one of those made from hemp fibre, hemp plastics. But yeah, there you go. So, what's the phrase? That's how I roll. There you go. That's how I roll. Leave a comment saying, that's how I roll. And that will enter you into the draw to win both of these. Send them both out in one. You need to be subscribed to the channel. You need to like the video. You need to share the video somewhere, even if it's just with your rabbi, or if it's printed out, photocopied and faxed, and then Morse coded to your neighbour over the road. That's fine as well. Share it wherever you can. And be a UK resident as well. And in 2 weeks' time, I'll choose a winner for this. I say that, but I may need reminding. I was getting lost recently in what I was doing with all of these giveaways, but that's partly because everything was disrupted by Canada. God, I don't even know what date we're on. 28th. It's a Friday. So in 2 weeks, where's that? 1, 2, so let's say the 14th of December. And then, yeah, this will get sent out hopefully in time for Christmas. 14th of December. I shall mark it on the calendar now. 14th of December, green carrot winner. There we go, done. That's how I roll. Best of luck everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay medicated. Speak to you soon.